Una no go believe wetin happen to me today. But ma let una know. This afternoon, I say ma go buy garri. Ma do small eba and soup ma eat. When I tell you buy the garri now, now one small pikin go come meet me. Say, brother, buy sweet for me. At last say me go play. No money. Next time. If you hear wetin this pikin tell me, if una hear wetin this pikin tell me, but I no blame am. Our government I blame. Since this new government enter, na only garri I dey drink. Only garri. Today ma say ma chop eba and soup now. Now this small pikin dey come insult me. But no be that one pay me pass sha. Wetin pay me pass be say, after I buy the garri finish, I enter market. Ma go buy pepper and okra. So as I reach the market now, I wan buy pepper. Then you show me 3 seeds of pepper. Small one. How much? They say na 500. I say make dem wait first. Make dem bring okra for me. They say okra no dey market. I say I no understand. You no get okra, abi okra no dey market. They say okra no dey market at all. Say nobody dey sell okra. E shock me. Okra make we dey produce. They no dey import am o. Na who dey produce am? Okra no dey. See, I don tire. You see this government, I don tire. And I get just one thing to let them know. Person may no fit use im nyash kill cockroach. That same person for im life, he no go fit use that nyash read newspaper. And I never say anything.